Friends, have you heard about the earthquake, tsunami, flood, famine, volcanoes? And we are facing to coronavirus, it is also a disaster. These are all the types of disasters. We have to face these disasters sometime. Everywhere on the earth's surface, different types of disasters are seen. Do you know, long ago in 1876 to 1878, there was Great Famine? In 2005, there was cyclone named Fayan. Fayan was developed as a tropical disturbance to the southwest of Colombo in Sri Lanka on November 4 in 2009. It was active in the next couple of days. At the time of famine, it was intense drought resulting in crop failure in Deccan Plateau. It affected the British-administered presidencies of Madras and Bombay and the princely states of Mysore and Hyderabad. It is interesting to know that the names of cyclones in the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea are decided by 8 countries. There are many disastrous events in India and Maharashtra also. In 1993, there was earthquake at Killari in Latur district. Many people died due to the earthquake. In July 2005, Mumbai experienced shudder or tremor which resulted into heavy rain and flood to the river. In 2014, village in Ambegaon Taluka named Malin had landslide. Whole village got buried under the heaps of soil and stone and lost their lives. In November 2015, many people died due to the flooding caused by heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. Recently, in 2019, Sangli, Kolhapur districts faced heavy flood threat due to heavy rain. There was massive discharge of water level in Panchaganga river which courses through Kolhapur and the Krishna river that passes through Sangli. Friends, these all are the examples of disasters. There are many types of disasters. If we want to define it, maybe like this: a sudden event that causes large-scale damage to life, property and social aspects of a nation or society is called disaster. From the information given to you can easily use your brain and tell the types of disasters occur in the school or on the way to school. And it is necessary to know that how to deal with a disaster. For that, we must know the causes, what happens at the time of disaster, and what precautions to be taken to keep away the disasters. Floods, an earthquake, lightning, volcanic eruption, forest fire. Some causes for the disaster are high density of population, irregular constructions, ecological imbalance, terrorism, riots, and crimes are some examples of disaster. With these disasters, diseases, virus attacks, accidents are also the disasters. Disasters are of two main kinds. One is natural and another is man-made. The events that occur due to natural causes are called as natural, and those occur because of man's activity are called as man-made disasters. Here, we'll see some disasters in detail. First, we'll see the natural disasters. Earthquake is one of the disastrous activities that occurs on the earth's surface. Every day, there are number of earthquakes happen, but most of the earthquakes happen in the ocean. Most of the time, reason behind the earthquake is movement under the earth's surface. The surface of the earth shakes resulting from a sudden release of energy in the earth's lithosphere. This causes seismic waves leading to movements of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking and cracking. The vibrations or quaking in the earth's crust is known as earthquake. Earthquake is measured in Richter scale and is recorded on seismograph. A magnitude 5.3 is a moderate earthquake and 6.3 is a strong earthquake. Recently, in 2017, there was an earthquake of 5.7 magnitude in India and Bangladesh. In 2016, of 6.7 magnitude in India, Myanmar and Bangladesh. In 2001, there was earthquake in Gujarat with the magnitude of 7.7 magnitude. Ground shaking, ground rupture, landslide, tsunamis are the effects of earthquake. Earthquake affects in all the terms. There is destruction of infrastructure, buildings, roads, railways, and tracks, as well as loss of life and property due to earthquake. Sometimes rivers change their course as well as direction. In case of earthquake at Koyana on 11th of December 1967, it affected on the land, river and infrastructure. At some places, water level dropped and some places water level increased. Another disaster is flood. We all know what flood is. Heavy rain results into heavy water, which results into flood. It is frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world. Excessive rain, global warming, deforestation are the reasons of flood. The water drainage system at the time of flood falls short at the time of heavy rainfall. It results into choking of gutters and drainage lines. At the time of flood, water overflows on the road and surrounding areas, and sometimes it enters into nearby houses also. Flood affects on roads, homes and human beings. There is huge loss of life and property due to flood. Soil gets eroded and the nutrients in the soil are flowed away. If crops are in the farm, they are destroyed due to flood. After flood, diseases spread and epidemics affect the health of the people. In 2019, Sangli Kolhapur districts had heavy floods and there was loss of crops, life as well as property. Have you heard about the storm? Recently, in Konkan region, there was severe cyclone named Nisarga which affected to Alibag between Harihareshwar in Raigad and Daman and Mumbai, Thane, Palghar. Cyclone Nisarga came weeks after super cyclone Amphan hit West Bengal, Odisha and Bangladesh. It is interesting to know that the name of the cyclone was proposed by Bangladesh. Now, we'll see the reasons of the storm and effects of the storm. When there is a formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere, it causes changes in weather resulting in strong winds or storms. Storms or cyclones have effects on human life. There is great damage in the storm affected region in terms of loss of life and property. There is disruption of electric supply, disruption of transport and communication. Due to storm or cyclone, heavy rain occurs which causes disruption in human activity as well as damage to the crops. At the time of Nisarga cyclone, land was damaged, electricity supply was disrupted, roads and agricultural land were damaged. Forest fire. Have you seen fire in the forest? It is one of the disasters and occurs in the forest. It is uncontrollable and affects on pasture and grassland. This type of fire has tremendous speed. It affects the wealth and biodiversity and creates pollution in the air. India witnessed the most severe forest fires during the summer of 1995 on the hills of Uttaranchal and Himachal Pradesh in northwest of Himalaya. An area of 6,77,700 hectares was affected by fires. The quantifiable timber loss was around Rs 17.50 crores. The remedial and preventive measures. Summary. A sudden event that causes large-scale damage to life, property and social aspects is known as disaster. Disaster, natural, earthquake, volcano, eruption, flood, forest fire, lightning, pandemic, virus attack. Man-made, terrorism, riots, accidents, crimes. Earthquake. The vibrations or quaking in the earth's crust due to sudden release of energy is called as earthquake. Effects. Destruction of infrastructure, buildings, roads, railways, loss of life, change in the direction of rivers. Precaution. Take shelter and safety places or camps. Floods. Occurs due to heavy rain. Effects. Roads, homes damage, loss of life, crops are destroyed, diseases and epidemic spreads. Precautions. Go away from riverbank at safety place. Storms. Created due to high and low air pressure belts. Effect. loss of life and property, crops destroyed, disruption of electric supply, transport and communication. Precautions: stay at safe place, do not go out. Forest fire occurs in forest due to high temperatures or human activities. Effects: affects wealth and biodiversity, pollution in the air. Precautions: move away from fire. If possible,